What is up? Welcome back. Do you like to do it, build it, or make it?
So do we.
And we have new videos each week. Last week we were at CES 2025, the biggest tech show in the US, where thousands of companies come to showcase the future of technology. And it was our honor to be invited by xTool, one of the leaders in laser innovation. We're going to show you their booth experience and share their story with you.
We had an exclusive opportunity to speak with xTool's CEO and founder, Jason Wang, to learn a little more about their journey, the innovative products by xTool, and what's coming in 2025. We'll also give you a little tour of their booth and why we think xTool stands out.
Here we are at the xTool booth, where innovation meets creativity, and this booth was always packed. They brought a couple of their machines with them so that we could take a look and have a hands-on experience.
We first met with Yolanda and had an opportunity to review the M1 Ultra. This was our first hands-on exposure to the M1, and I was super impressed. I wanted to see the all-in-one crafting machine in action. The M1 has laser cutting, vinyl cutting, embossing, and color printing.
What's great about this is that each one of those components is a different head or a different tool that snaps in place on the xTool machine.
We were able to demo the printing capabilities, swapping out the heads, and then cutting what we just printed. It was pretty cool.
Then we met up with Josh over there at the F1 Ultra. He was running some leather keychains, and he was just showing how easy it was for you to find an image on your phone, send it to the machine, and then how quickly it engraved on the leather keychains.
And this is the reason why their booth was so packed. They were able to do some real-time make and takes. So you could choose a bookmark, you could choose a leather keychain, choose your image. It did a full engrave of the bookmark, or I saw them engraving names on the leather keychains or the wristlets. And people were so excited to be able to quickly and easily personalize these items right there at the booth.
Well, that's what's great about both the F1 and the F1 Ultra, is that they're both small enough that you could take them on the go. The F1 was actually designed for the go, but the F1 Ultra is small enough you could take it too. And it was such a crowd draw to do personalization at the booth. I think that was another reason that their booth was always crowded.
While we were standing there, they had these machines connected to the new AP2 filtration system. And so they had not only the M1 Ultra, the F1 Ultra, the F1 and the P2 all connected, running cuts at one time. And there was no smoke, no smell.
Nope.
At all.
Two of the machines were cutting wood and two of the machines were engraving leather, and there was absolutely no smell. That AP2 filter does a great job, and I think having it in such a crowded booth like that was a great show of how well
of its capabilities. Yes, and actually the P2S was cutting acrylic. And yeah,
and that does stinky. Yeah, that was great. So they did have the P2S there also. And that was there to show that they're not just diode lasers, that they have some power behind them with the 55-watt P2S. And they also were there to show how easy it is to use a machine like the P2S. We also got to talk to Jason, the founder and CEO of xTool. Jason grew up in a rural community and didn't have much exposure to technology until he went off to university. This experience inspired him to create companies that fostered creativity and innovation. All of this culminating into xTool. Fun fact, Jason started MakeBlock, which is a STEM educational toy producer. And in 2017, we actually bought a MakeBlock MBot to help expose our middle schooler to robotics technology.
And what I think is funny about that is that we have been a supporter of Jason's vision since 2017. I love the STEM tools. It was exciting to be able to get a little build a robot and program a robot for our daughter. And today we're able to take advantage of some of the new to innovative technologies with lasers and xTool.
I guess we've been on Jason's journey with him.
Right, yeah. xTool is about making laser tools accessible and user-friendly. Jason also shared with us that their original goal wasn't actually to help people start businesses, but to empower creativity. However, they realized that their tools were enabling so many people to launch side hustles and even full-fledged businesses, which was the case for us too, right? We started with the D1, we were able to learn and explore the capabilities with this product, and then be able to do more with it. We wanted more, we wanted to grow more with it and really expand our side hustle.
Well, just like them, once I got into it, I wanted more power. So that's when the jump to the P2 happens. I love to ask people what their favorite part of their job is, and Jason had a great answer. Jason loves to have that hands-on product development, working with the product manager and the engineers to help solve problems and push innovation. He really loves making sure that every machine reflects the needs of customers just like us.
One of the things I love about xTool's approach is how their tools cater to both beginners and pros alike. It's actually very similar to what we aim to do on our Patreon, where we share exclusive tips, early access to projects, and resources to help creators grow their craft or even their businesses.
If you're interested, you could check out our Patreon for behind-the-scenes content, design files, and more. We're all about helping fellow makers succeed. A fun thing that xTool had at their booth was a walk through the xTool's evolution, starting with the D1 and the M1.
Now, this really resonated with us because as our business continues to grow and evolve, it's fun to look back as to where we were when we started in a bedroom and cutting and grew into our garage and then out into the space that we have today. It was fun to see their journey as their machines evolved and grew, and it's kind of grown and evolved with us, right?
Yeah, we've grown about in parallel. xTool started with the D1 and the M1, making lasers accessible for beginners.
Next came the F1, which was designed for craft shows and on-the-go engraving. This is the small portable laser that's a game changer for makers.
And then they knew they needed something to grow with their customers. So the P2 brought some professional grade cutting and engraving capabilities. Now these are perfect for woodworkers or crafters or creators that produce at a higher volume.
As the customer evolved, so did their tools. So today the D1 has turned into something closer to the S1 with more safety features. The D1 was just an open frame laser. S1 now is the same diode laser, but enclosed in a case.
The case provides safety features like protection from the blue light laser. It has exhaust, and it also comes with fire suppression, making safety paramount.
They also evolved into swappable laser modules, as we talked about with the M1 Ultra. You can swap out those laser heads, different powers of laser heads, which are perfect for different types of engraving.
And the P2 also evolved. It evolved into the P2S, making maintenance a breeze. Now what everybody wants to know, what is new for 2025? xTool shared with us that they only released 2.5 new products in 2024, but they have big plans for 2025, releasing 6 to 7 new products. Now, some of these products will be new features or new advances in the existing product line, but there will also be some new tools and new categories.
And Jason couldn't reveal too much about what's coming in 2025. He did share that there are new tools for business owners to expand their product line and reach new levels of creativity.
Now, xTool's secret weapon is their speed. They have in-house manufacturing and over 700 R&D engineers. They could quickly develop cutting-edge products, staying ahead of their competitors.
While we were talking to Jason, he did admit that while their products are excellent, they had some challenges with customer service. So in order to meet those challenges, they have opened a new office in Mountain View, California, starting early 2025.
Now, this new office is going to be a game changer. It will give stronger localized support to US-based customers. But what we are most excited about is xTool will be hosting meetups, demos, and events to get to know the users face-to-face.
And lastly, Jason shared a heartfelt thanks to his customers for being so helpful and understanding. As their business has grown, he has been able to work with customers, learn from them, understand where their challenges are so that they can truly improve their products. And we certainly can relate to that. As we grow and evolve, the feedback we get from our customers, you guys are always so understanding. We really do appreciate the understanding from our customers. And I really liked hearing that from Jason as well.
It has been incredible to see how xTool has been able to push the boundaries of what is possible with the laser tool.
If you want to learn more about xTool's products, you can visit their website or visit our affiliate link below to learn more about some of their innovative products. And we are excited to share that we have a new xTool product on the way. You can look for that video mid-February. We can't wait to show you something all new and test it out and give it a try and tell you all about it.
And a huge thanks to xTool for inviting us out to CES to see what they had going on. And, you know, they keep inspiring me with their innovation, and I can't wait to see what's coming for 2025. And a big thanks to all of our patrons. We love you guys. That is the best way to support this channel. And
I can't wait to share some of the innovations that we have coming in 2025.
Oh, that's right. We got some good ones.
Do it, build it, make it. If you